Have you ever needed to machine some flat stock, but it deforms or bends when you clamp it? Well, here I'm machining some aluminium 6082 flat stock to adapt Toyota Yaris coils to my MX-5, and I came across this nifty method of work holding, or in this case, work gluing. The chemical bond of the superglue is strong enough to withstand the 10 to 15 thou cuts I'm taking, and when I'm finished, a sharp blow from a mallet will free it right off. Now, to address the elephant in the room, this is the first video that I've posted in over 5 years. And yes, don't panic, I am still into cars. I currently have a Turbo MX-5 that I am trying to break the stock engine horsepower record. So going forward, I will be posting videos on that and other workshop projects like this one that I have going on. So hopefully I'll see you back for those. But for now, take it easy and I'll see you next time.